So as usual, we'll talk about color management again. So we can say that after the meeting, we kind of agreed that we are ready to uh, merge or at least organize ourselves to get the kernel API for color management merged in the kernel because it's not, of course, because we just decided it, but because we have covered all the needs, the basic needs to get it merged in the kernel. First thing is that we have already the AMD implementation, but also Harry also worked on attaching this proposal to the Intel implementation too. NVIDIA is already working on sharing their implementation according to Harry's proposal for the KMS Color Management API. And yeah, Qualcomm needs more time to get it into it, but they kind of say that the current proposals seems okay. On the user space side, we already have experimental implementation from Queen that was shared by Xava already on the mailing list, and kind of validated that the proposal it's enough for what their needs. And GameScope has a draft that was Simon, the first one that shared, but and we are already using the driver-specific implementation MD driver. So the next step is to move the driver-specific API to the KMS generic one, and we have some feedback from Weston, Mutter, and others that they are already exploring the proposal, and hopefully we will have something by the end of this year, but we kind of have feedback from the kernel side, GPU vendors, and the user space. But also, apart from that, we also have IGT tests that Harry also implemented. So we kind of cover all the aspect for this API. And yeah, so we are waiting for review advice and ACK advice on the last version of the proposal, and yeah, more feedback. And if you want to talk more about it or more information, first person is Eric, but also Xava, I, and many other, compositor and display driver developers are available for that. And yeah, the last part was kind of, just to, it's something that I forgot to mention, that we have more than 3 hours of a meeting. So that's why we have a lot of topics. But the last one was, I can say that was a mix of complaints and a brainstorm to brainstorming alternatives to get more information from kernel drivers of what is going on when we face a failure, a commit failure. So I think basically it was that. And yeah, that's it. Thank you. And thank everybody that joined us in this meeting.